Hi, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. As you can tell from the gorgeous background surrounding me here, I am in the beautiful island of Jamaica, my home country, and I'm so excited to bring you guys this vlog. Today, as you can tell from the thumbnail, we bought and built a home in Jamaica. My husband and we are both Jamaicans. As I told you before, my husband is also a Jamaican. And this has been a long time coming. We do own another home in Jamaica, but this is kind of more of like our dream home, if we may say so ourselves. We love the North Coast so much, and we've always dreamt about owning a home. And so it's finally finished. This home took about 2 years to be built and done. We finally got the keys about 2 months ago, and so the house is empty. I'm going to give you guys an empty house tour. It's completely empty. We do have all of our furniture stuck at the port in Kingston, Jamaica, and we can't get our furniture because if you're a Jamaican, you know, handling and dealing with any business in Jamaica is a little bit tedious. But anyway, we won't let that dissuade us from enjoying the blessings of our labor and for celebrating such an amazing accomplishment. We're super, super grateful, feel super, super lucky and just blessed to be able to do this, especially that we have a daughter that we are raising in the States, but we want her to have a foundation, a solid foundation, a solid connection to Jamaica. And with this, we can always visit Jamaica a little bit more often and have her integrate herself a little bit more into the culture, which is very important to us. So, the house won't be furnished. And like I said, all our furniture is stuck. But I think eventually I'm going to take you guys on a journey of this home. This might be premature, but we might be Airbnb-ing it. We haven't fully decided yet if we want to Airbnb it since it's kind of like our home. We have other dreams too. So we'll see. So it might be an Airbnb opportunity. And if so, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. But for now, this is our home. And I want to share it with you guys, show it with you. And I also want to say that for anyone who's Jamaican, subscribe to my channel, specifically speaking to Jamaicans here. If you can and you have the interest, to own a home, to build something, you know, from the country you're from, investing in the real estate in the country. Jamaica real estate market is on a boom. It has been on a boom for a couple of years. It's a really great market. It holds value. And so, even if you're looking for an investment opportunity, I would definitely say come home, try to find a way. It might be hard for some people. It was still a little bit challenging for us. I can do another video to explain the process with you guys. The process was quite a process. You had to go through the same thing. We do have a loan on this house. We didn't build it out of our pocket, like our other house that we have in Montego Bay. But um, if you have questions in that regard, my email, kimaoliver@gmail.com, you can absolutely email me and maybe I'll do another video at some point this year about the process because we're going to be coming back home a couple times to kind of like make sure everything is done, our landscaping, furnishing the house, putting it together, making it livable. We're super excited that our families can come, our friends we want to bring, especially our non-Jamaican friends, we want to bring them here to enjoy the culture, enjoy the space. And Lincoln and I are very much hosting people. We love hosting people we love and hold dear to our hearts. And if this become an Airbnb, that will be an extension of us hosting. So I'm going to stop yapping and plug in the tour of the house here so you can see it in its empty state. I did film that portion separately from today simply because we've been coming here a couple of days over and over just to kind of like just to also just be here. We're literally going to the beach right now. We drove up from Montego Bay and we're like, let's stop in by the house. So we just stopped in and I wanted to film it because no one is here. We've had engineers here. We had or contractor here to check on the landscape plans. We've had the contractors that built the community. It's a community build. It's gated. And so we feel safe and secure leaving our home and space here. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a tour of the house. But first, let's talk about my swimsuit. I'm wearing a somersault swimsuit. It's like a color block, super simple swimsuit. And I'm wearing this Walmart. Yes, love. Okay. You can't see in the camera, can you? No? You want to say hi? What do you want to say? Hi everyone, I love you so much. You're so cute. Okay, go tell Dada that you want a snack, okay? So I'm wearing somersault swimsuit, Walmart shorts. It's like a nice flared short. I'll pop a photo here since the camera is set a funny way. And my Hermes rubber sandals for today, and my Tiffany and Co sunglasses. We're heading to the beach at Puerto Rico, and we're just gonna relax today because we do travel back to the U.S. really soon. So let's get into the tour. Okay, so we will start here. We have the kitchen here. Um, it's really simple. These are like builder homes. We didn't get to quite decide what we wanted to put in there. So the kitchen, I do like that it's white, which is lovely. At least it's livable and it's doable for now for a good time until it like wears out. Then we can do a renovation. But for now, it's just gonna stay. We're just gonna make it pretty and gorgeous. The stove and microwave space. We have the refrigerator space here, and true story, we bought furniture for this house and we ordered a dishwasher, forgetting just how much dishwasher isn't quite a common thing in Jamaica. Jamaicans will wash their dishes, including me, with their hands and let it dry on top of the counter. I just started using a dishwasher consistently for the last 4 years. I used to, and I've lived in the US for 19 years. So do the math. This is my daughter. She is just, she's doing a vlog too. So yeah, get that. Hello, everyone. So I've been doing a vlog today. So I'm so glad you're here. So I do your vlog. Do my vlog and leave you? Okay. All right. Anyway, so where Tori's standing, oh God, where she's standing, this is the living room. Super simple and easy. Off the kitchen, we have a washroom here, and we'll have our dishwasher and dryer set up here, and a little sink. And across the way, hey, can you stay here to do your vlog? Yeah. Across the way, we have two bedrooms. So we do have this room here. Off to the side, we have the beautiful, lush vegetation of Jamaica, almost like rainforest vibe. These green fencing that they put up, we are going to take that down and make it so much more pretty. So yeah, so this is technically room number one. This is the bathroom. For this room, they just actually just came and installed these little shower doors. I wish it was at least a halfway, but it's only a quarter. You take what you get until you can do better. So that's me. This is the vanity they put in. Now we go to the primary bedroom, and the primary bedroom has an amazing view. It has a bathroom, the same size, nothing different than the other bathrooms, which I just don't quite like, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So this is the primary bathroom. This is the primary bedroom. Can you back out there to the living room? I'm coming. So we have the view of back here, which is so nice to just like wake up to and see just all greenery. And then we have a beautiful, gorgeous ocean view. I think we're super excited about this. And eventually we'll Airbnb this place, and I think guests will love seeing the ocean, waking up to the ocean here. It just finished raining, like a little drizzle, so it's not too terrible right now, but it's just so pretty, super pretty. Okay, so this is the master room. There's nothing really about it. I'll do another tour once it's done furnishing, but let's go off to there's a balcony off the kitchen, which is perfect. And it's kind of wet right now and I don't have my shoe on. There's a balcony off the kitchen. So we're coming off the kitchen, heading out to the balcony. And this is the view. I cannot wait to enjoy a good cup of coffee here every single morning. It's just going to be amazing. Let me try to step out a little bit, even though it's kind of wet. This is technically our backyard. We'll need to do some landscaping. and fix it up. But some of the ideas that we're having is like a deck, possibly a jacuzzi. We'll kind of see how that will pan out. And there's some side yard around there too. This is technically our backyard. It's a nice size. I like it a lot. And we're hoping that our neighbors down here don't want to go all the way up on top, which would block some of our view. Not all of it, but some of it. But yeah, that's that. All right, let's head downstairs. Our windows need some cleaning clearly, and this is the stairs to go down. It's kind of like a light wood. I don't even think this is natural wood, but I do like the stairs. It's pretty decent, pretty unique. Hi, Victoria. And so we come downstairs and we have like another living quarters here, a living area. Nice size space under the stairs. And all the way to the end can be a kitchenette. I don't think we will turn it into a kitchenette just now. I think it would make better sense for a kitchenette if we were living upstairs and renting downstairs, but I don't quite want a kitchen downstairs. Stay back here, okay, Mama? We have a nice little corner here, which will I plan to make into like a cozy, sitting, relaxing corner. We could do couch and stuff here, which is nice. There's two other bedrooms here. This is bedroom one on the downstairs, and it has really, really nice view. Again, some ocean view from both windows, which I like. Each of the room has a closet, and we do have to kind of like get our closets nicely assembled or at least installed, some installation of the closet. And yeah, really nice. It has a ceiling fan. That's pretty much the lighting you get in here. And we installed our air conditioned units about a month ago. Then we have room number two. You get in here. Victoria was in here having her snack and watching her tablet. And this room too, you still get a nice ocean view. Not a full 180 like the other rooms, but it's still a really nice ocean view. The only room that doesn't have an ocean view is the um, room towards the front of the house. And there's also this view back here on this wall, which is also nice. So this is also downstairs off to the side that I didn't quite get to show you guys because the patio, because the balcony off the kitchen, I couldn't bend around to show you. But yeah, we have some plans, some ideas for this, which I think is exciting. And it also has a closet again. And then we have one bathroom, which both rooms will share down here. Pretty much the same standard size bathroom, tub, vanity, and mirror. So this is the kitchenette area I was pointing out earlier. Then you get to see a little bit of the side yard. So, yep, that's basically it. It's a tour or empty house tour. And we can get a peek outside. I don't have the right shoes to go outside, especially that it's wet. But it's really gorgeous out. Really nice. So pretty. So that's it, the tour of the house. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We will be furnishing the house, like I said in the earlier part in the video. We did pretty much get all our furniture and everything to go in the house, and we had hoped to be able to furnish the house on this trip. However, our container is stuck at the Jamaican port, and we haven't been able to get it. That's a whole nother story, and that might be another video if you are interested to learn about the process of like getting like a container in the country, the different options and so on. We're still not at the end of the process, but there's a lot of I'm from Jamaica. I already know how sometimes tedious, most times tedious it is to conduct business, but my God, this one literally took us for a loop. So we're gonna have to return earlier than we thought, after the container is ready. And then hopefully I could do like a decorating the house video with you. We have a certain type of vibe. The vibe for the house is going to be like tropical modern, and our landscape still needs to be done. So there's going to be lots of like little updates if you're interested in that. So I'm gonna close off this video here. Check out the view, you guys. It is so nice. There's still some construction going on in the community, and quite a few things. So this is gonna be like continuing. I might make a complete different playlist for this video, and I know this is not my typical, but this will become a part of my life. So the vlog process parts, or the vlog parts of it, you might see multiple over the years and years to come once I continue YouTube. So I'm gonna close out this vlog here, and then I'll probably make another one. I'm not sure, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, or anything like that you want me to talk through. I could probably do a second video on that. This is just like just to let you guys know what's going on, and also to give you a tour of the house. So thank you guys so much for watching, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.